Are you a beginner looking to start your own small business, but have no experience? Don't worry, there are plenty of small business ideas that require little to no experience to get started. With the right attitude and a little research, you can easily find a small business idea that suits your skills and interests. Here are a few small business ideas for beginners that require no experience. Online reselling. With the rise of online marketplaces, you can easily start a small business by reselling products. You can start by selling items from your own home or sourcing products from thrift stores, garage sales, or wholesale retailers. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Poshmark make it easy to set up an online store and start selling without any experience. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a great small business idea. You can start by offering your writing services on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. There are plenty of opportunities for writing blog posts, articles, website content, and more, and you can learn as you go. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, starting a pet sitting or dog walking business can be a great option. Many pet owners are in need of reliable and trustworthy individuals to care for their pets while they are away. You can start by offering your services to friends and family and then expand through word-of-mouth referrals. Social media management. If you are savvy with social media, you can start a small business as a social media manager. Many small businesses and individuals are in need of help managing their social media accounts. You can start by offering your services to local businesses and building up your experience and portfolio as you go. For handmade products, if you are crafty, you can start a small business creating and selling handmade products. Whether it's jewelry, candles, or home decor, there is a market for unique and handmade items. You can start by selling your products at local craft fairs or online marketplaces like Etsy. Starting a small business with no experience may seem daunting, but with the right determination and effort, you can find a small business idea that fits your skills and interests. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with time and dedication, you can turn your small business idea into a successful venture. Good luck!